Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Super excited to announce that exciting things for the channel. We will be getting a DJI MINI 2 tomorrow. So I've managed to get hold of one from a retailer in the UK. I decided that I wanted to grow this channel and, cut long story short, just as I've done with the Mavic Mini, I want to test this out for you guys so you can make an informed buying decision, okay? So I've managed to place an order and I can confirm that here in the UK, the price of the Fly More combo is £549, okay? £549 that is. Obviously, I can't confirm what it's going to be in other currencies. I can't confirm what the standalone price is because the retailer I bought it from haven't got any in stock at the moment of that model. They've only got the Fly More, the Fly More combo, sorry. Stuttering. But anyway, I'm going to have this on the channel. So what I want from you guys is I want you to write in the comment section below exactly what you want me to test. So I've got a few ideas myself, but guys, let me know what you want me to do first, and then I will get that video and then get that content pushed out as soon as possible. As soon as it arrives tomorrow, I'll start filming and start playing around with it, and we're doing a little unboxing video as well. So thank you very much for watching. Again, really would appreciate you subscribing. Then of course, as soon as I launch these videos tomorrow, or the initial video, you're going to get that notification. Don't forget to hit the bell as well, and then you can be first to see it and check it out. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.